issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Washita County in western Oklahoma, north central Kiowa County in southwestern Oklahoma, east central Beckham County in western Oklahoma, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles west of Burns Flat, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tennis ball-size hail and 70 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Hobart, Cordell, Burns Flat, Sentinel, Dill City, Canute, Rocky, and Cloud Chief. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. National Weather Service has